The correct answer is letter A. To be under the weather means to be a little sick.
The correct answer is letter C. When something is a piece of cake, it means it's very easy.
The correct answer is letter A. When someone says break a leg, they're wishing you good luck.
The correct answer is letter A. When someone is running late, it means they're behind schedule.
The correct answer is letter B. When someone says let's call it a day, they mean let's stop working.
The correct answer is letter C. If something costs an arm and a leg, it means it is very expensive.
The correct answer is letter B. When someone says, I'm all ears, it means that they're listening carefully to what you have to say.
The correct answer is letter A. The expression hit the books means to study hard.
The correct answer is letter C. When someone says, it slipped my mind, it means they forgot it.
The correct answer is letter C. Speak of the devil means someone you were talking about appeared.
The correct answer is letter B. The expression hang in there means don't give up.
The correct answer is letter A. To keep an eye on it means to watch it carefully.
The correct answer is letter B. If something is not your cup of tea, it means you don't like it.
The correct answer is letter B. No worries means, it's okay.
The correct answer is letter C. I'm on it means I will do it now.
The correct answer is letter A. If someone says let me give you a hand, it means they want to help.
The correct answer is letter B. To be broke means you have no money.
The correct answer is letter C. It's up to you means you decide.
The correct answer is letter A. When someone says I'll pass, it means they refuse it.
The correct answer is letter C. That rings a bell means you remember something.
Hey English got it. You finished the quiz. Now click the link in the description to download the free worksheet. And if you want, share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And I'll see you in the next video, English Go Getter.